Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Edge window won't roll down issue and the potential problems behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. A window that will not roll down in the Ford Edge is commonly described as no response when pressing the window switch, intermittent window operation, the window moving slowly or stopping partway, or one window behaving differently from the others. Verified technical service information and reviewed automotive power window system data indicate that window operation concerns can occur across multiple Ford Edge model years, with relevance depending on door electronics, motor design, and control module behavior. This issue does not affect all vehicles and applicability varies by configuration. One verified cause involves the window motor or regulator assembly. Internal motor wear, regulator cable damage, or mechanical binding can prevent the window from moving as commanded. Another confirmed cause relates to the window switch or control input. Worn switches or inconsistent signal output can stop the window from responding even when electrical power is present. Electrical wiring or connector integrity is also a documented factor. Broken wires, loose connectors, or corrosion inside the door can interrupt power or control signals to the window motor. Body control module or door module behavior is another verified consideration. Control logic issues or communication interruptions can disable window operation as a protective or fault response. Window track alignment and mechanical resistance is an additional confirmed aspect. Misaligned tracks or excessive friction can cause the system to stop movement to prevent damage. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include temperature-related material expansion, recent battery disconnection affecting module relearn, or intermittent electrical faults. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions described in professional service guidance include testing window motor and regulator operation, inspecting switches and wiring, scanning for door or body control module fault codes, checking track alignment, and verifying proper power and ground supply. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and power window system specific requirements. Reviewed diagnostic trends indicate that many Ford Edge window won't roll down concerns are resolved through motor or regulator replacement, switch repair, or wiring correction rather than door replacement. Outcomes vary by model year, door configuration, and vehicle condition. In conclusion, Ford Edge window won't roll down issues are typically linked to motor or regulator failure, switch input problems, wiring or connector faults, control module behavior, or mechanical resistance in the window track. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.